Nnamdi Kanu accuses 3 judges of gross misconduct in petition to Nigerian Bar Association. Welcome to Biafra News Update. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel for more updates. The news in detail. Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has petitioned the Nigerian Bar Association, NBA, accusing some judges of gross misconduct and violations of his constitutional rights. In the petition dated August 18 and addressed to the president of the NBA, Kanu described his treatment before Nigerian courts as nothing less than judicial lynching as against constitutional orders. This is not merely a letter of a persecuted man. It is a bill of indictment against a segment of the Nigerian judiciary that has, in my case, converted courts of laws into arenas of impunity, Kanu wrote. Allegations against judges. Kanu specifically named Binta Nyako, judge of the Federal High Court, Haruna Sami, former Justice of the Court of Appeal, and Garba Mohammed Lawal of the Supreme Court. He accused Nyako of remanding him illegally without fair hearing, contrary to Section 293, subsection 1 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, ACJA, 2015, and Section 36, subsection 1 of the Constitution. Kanu also faulted her for failing to inquire into his absence from trial in 2017 after the Nigerian army allegedly invaded his home in Abia State, an incident he claimed forced him into exile. I deposed to this fact in affidavit from Israel where I had sought safety. Justice Nyako refused to inquire into the petition read. On Tasimi, Kanu argued that the Court of Appeal erred when granted a stay of execution after discharging him in October 13, 2022. Justice Tasimi's panel then granted a stay of execution on this criminal discharge, an aberration unknown to law, he said. The device detained me 14 months without charge, a direct assault on Section 36, subsection 1 of the CFRN and Article 7 African Charter. The IPOB leader further criticized Lawal of the Supreme Court for reversing his discharge, saying it amounted to a breach of judicial finality. A discharge on ground of want of jurisdiction is as good as acquittal, Kanu said. Kanu noted that multiple authorities, including Nigerian court and international bodies, had confirmed that his arrest and transfer from Kenya to Nigeria amounted to an extraordinary redemption. The Supreme Court itself, Court of Appeal of Nigeria, which discharged me, the Federal High Court, which declared my extraditionary redemption illegal, the Kenyan High Court, UN Special Rapporteur Opinions, and the United Nations Working Group on Arbitrary Detention have confirmed that I was abducted, tortured, and extraordinary redemption from Kenya in violation of domestic and international law, he wrote. The IPOB leader said despite the various court verdicts, Lawal breached international law, treaties, and revived dead statuses. Kanu urged the NBA to investigate the judges he mentioned and take a firm stance against judicial abuse. I urge the NBA to investigate Justice Binta Nyako. I urge the Nigerian Bar Association to investigate Justices Binta Nyako, Haruna Tsimi, and Garba Lawal for gross judicial misconduct. Publish a report condemning use of civil procedures to subvert criminal law and the resurrection of of replayed statuses, he stated. This case is not only about me, it is about whether Nigeria's judiciary is born by law or by impunity. The Constitution, statuses, and international treaties have all been shredded. The bar cannot be silent. The separatist leader warned the association that silence would make it complicit in undermining justice. He who is silent is taken to agree. Silence now would make the Nigerian Bar Association complicit in the erosion of Nigeria's legal foundations, he said. Thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you on the next one.